Everybody, today we are going to study about the conversion of units from kilometer to hectometer to decameter, or from meter to decimeter, or and so on. Now for this, a very easy way I will tell you, write the three extreme units of measurement. One is the biggest one, which is kilometer, then in middle we have meter, and on our extreme right we are having millimeter. Okay. Now besides millimeter, we are going to write the unit which we know, which is centimeter, and after kilometer we are going to write hectometer. Is it fine? Okay. What is this? This is hectometer. Okay, I hope that's clear. Now, similarly, on both sides of meter, we are going to write units which start with D. Here we are going to write decimeter, and between these two we are going to write decameter. Is it fine? What is this? This is deca and this is deci. You able to understand what we are doing? Well, now we are going to understand the conversion of these units. Okay, so how are we going to understand that? Let me just, for better understanding, let me just erase these. Okay. Okay, now we are going to just change the color of a pen. Okay, now always understand, when we are going from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, we multiply. Okay, but before that, let me tell you, we are going to jump all these jumps in between the various numbers. Okay, the same will apply over here. I'm just changing the color. It will go like this. Okay, okay. Now, always remember, all these jumps constitute 10. That means here we will multiply by 10. Here we are going to multiply by 10. Here also we are going to multiply by 10, and so on. Okay. And now here when we are jumping, we are going to divide by 10. We are going to divide by 10 again. We are going to divide, and we are again going to divide. Here also the same will apply. Is it fine? That means each and every jump constitute, okay, all these jumps, they constitute what? They constitute 10. When it is going from the smaller end to the bigger end, we are dividing, and when it's going from the bigger end to the smaller end, we are multiplying. Now, what do we understand? We are basically understanding that, for example, just let me tell you, like for example, if we take, I hope this was clear. You can always go back and find and check it out if you have any doubt. Now, for example, if my question is, what is 1 kilometer? How much unit is 1 kilometer is equal to how many decameter? Okay, for example, this is my question. Now you see, when we are coming from kilometer to decameter, how many jumps are there? 2 jumps. So we are going to write 100. Sorry, we are going to write 100 decameter. Okay. Now if we are having a question as how much is 1 meter in terms of what we say millimeter, we will see that from meter to millimeter, how many jumps are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. So we are going to write over here 100, 3 zeros. Okay, not 100, 1000 millimeter. Now, what happens if this is done in the reverse way? Okay, what happens when it is done in the reverse? Let us check it out. Okay, now what happens is, we are going to take a pen, we are going to change it. Okay. Now, if I write how much is 1 centimeter in terms of hectometer, so we will see how many jumps we have to take. We have to go in backward direction, because now we are going from smaller unit to bigger unit. So we will do 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how much it will come? It will come 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it fine? Now, if I have to go from 1 millimeter to kilometer, now this is a big one, okay, because we are going from two extremes now. So how much it will be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. So now I will write 1 followed by 6 zeros. Is it okay? Is it easy? So I hope all of you are able to understand how we convert our units from small to big. Thank you.